Why do some of the world's wealthiest individuals spend hundreds of millions of dollars on super yachts? What makes them cost as much as entire skyscrapers? Is it just the luxury, or is there something more beneath the surface? How can a single yacht cost more than a jet? What drives these massive expenses? Is it the cutting-edge technology, the rare materials, or perhaps the hidden operational costs? Could you afford to own one, not just to buy, but to maintain year after year? From custom design to ongoing maintenance, the true price tag might shock you. And what if I told you the yearly costs could rival the initial purchase price? Stick around as we unravel the secrets behind super luxury yachts, from what they're made of to who builds them and why owning one is not just a luxury, it's a lifestyle only the few can afford. Let's get started. We can break the costs into two main parts: what you spend before and after construction. Both come with eye-watering numbers, but they tell the full story of why these yachts are so expensive. Designing a super yacht is like designing a custom palace. Every detail is tailored to the owner's desires. Top yacht designers like Nuvolari, Lenard, Espen, Øino, and Winch Design work hand in hand with wealthy clients to build a yacht that reflects their personality and needs. Custom features such as heliports, submarines, and even concert halls are often requested, but this luxury comes at a price. A custom design alone can start at $1 million. Building a super yacht is a lengthy and complex process that can take 3 to 4 years. Companies like Lursen, Feedship, Benetti, and He's in Yachts are renowned for their craftsmanship. The largest yachts can cost upwards of $600 million. The complexity of the engineering, from propulsion systems to stabilizers, ensures these yachts can glide through the water with speed and comfort. These yachts use top-tier materials, from carbon fiber hulls for lightweight performance to rare wood paneling and custom marble floors in the interiors. Carbon fiber alone costs around $25 to $30 per pound, and outfitting an entire yacht with such advanced materials can cost tens of millions. Combine this with advanced glass, gold-plated fixtures, and top-end electronics, and you see why the bill skyrockets. One of the major cost drivers is the choice of materials. We use exotic materials not only for aesthetic purposes, but also for performance. Carbon fiber in particular is very expensive, but ensures strength without sacrificing speed. Yachts aren't just luxurious, they're technological marvels. Equipped with advanced navigation systems, fully integrated smart home technologies, and cutting-edge entertainment setups, these yachts are designed for seamless luxury. Companies like MTU provide the engines, which can cost between $3 million and $5 million depending on the yacht size and speed. Stabilization systems, which prevent seasickness by keeping the vessel steady, can add an additional $1 million or more. Super yachts are built by the world's top shipbuilders, with companies like Lursen from Germany, Feedship from Netherlands, and Benetti from Italy leading the industry. These shipyards are known for producing some of the largest and most luxurious yachts in the world, such as Azam, made by Lursen and its 180 meters, or Symphony, made by Feedship and its 101 meters. Each of these shipyards employs specialized craftsmen and engineers who can charge $200,000 to $400,000 per week for their expertise. By the time construction begins, you've already invested millions. Between design, materials, and engineering, building the yacht can cost anywhere between $100 million and $600 million, and that's before it even touches the water. Once the yacht is built, the costs don't stop. Maintaining a super yacht is a monumental task. Every year, you can expect to spend around 10% of the yacht's purchase price on maintenance, which includes cleaning, servicing engines, and repairs. For a $200 million yacht, that's about $20 million annually. Yachts of this size require a crew of 15 to 50 people, depending on the yacht size and features. From the captain, who can earn $150,000 to $300,000 per year, to chefs, engineers, and housekeepers, crew salaries can easily reach $3 to $5 million per year. In addition, finding the right crew with specific expertise in superyacht management is challenging, further increasing costs. Fuel is another major ongoing expense. A superyacht can consume up to 500 liters per hour when cruising, and an Atlantic crossing could cost over $400,000 in fuel. Many yachts are designed to be as fuel efficient as possible, but the cost is still immense, especially when sailing globally. Docking your yacht in a premier marina can cost $100,000 to $300,000 per year. Add to that insurance costs, which vary depending on the yacht's size and the regions it travels through, but can range from $200,000 to $2 million annually. According to yacht enthusiasts on forums like Yacht World and YBW, many owners admit that while owning a yacht is a dream come true, it's also a massive financial commitment. One forum user on YBW shared, "You don't just buy a yacht, you buy into a lifestyle of constant upkeep, high staffing costs, and unexpected challenges." At the end of the day, owning a super yacht isn't just about the initial purchase price, it's about the custom design, the craftsmanship, and the luxury materials that make each one a floating masterpiece. The builders, the crew, the technology, and even the fuel, every piece adds to the towering price tag, but for those who can afford it, the true cost is worth it. These aren't just boats, they're exclusive symbols of status, luxury, and freedom. Now that we've uncovered why super luxury yachts cost so much, we want to know, what do you think? Are these ultimate status symbols worth their price, or are they simply indulgences for the ultra-rich? Comment below and let us know. Don't forget to subscribe for more deep dives into the world of luxury and tech, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next video. Thanks for watching.